If you're deciding between Miro and Microsoft Visio for your visual collaboration or diagramming needs, this comparison will help you figure out which one fits your workflow best. First, let's look at what each tool is built for. Visio is a long-standing Microsoft product focused on creating detailed and structured diagrams, flowcharts, process maps, floor plans, network diagrams, and other technical visuals. It's very precise and ideal for users who need formal documentation and detailed visual representation. Miro, by contrast, is more of a visual collaboration workspace, a large, flexible canvas where teams can brainstorm, map ideas, plan projects, and diagram, but also with real-time collaboration built in from the ground up. When it comes to ease of use and onboarding, Miro tends to be more intuitive for general users. You can drag, drop, add sticky notes, work with templates, and collaborate live without much setup. Visio, although powerful, often has a steeper learning curve, particularly for those not already familiar with diagramming or the Microsoft ecosystem. If you need something your team can adopt quickly and you'll be doing a lot of ideation or visual planning, Miro will likely feel more accessible. In terms of features and flexibility, the tools diverge. Visio shines when you need high-fidelity, precise diagrams, especially in engineering, IT, and formal documentation contexts. It has shape libraries, professional templates, and many features geared toward technical diagramming. Miro, while it supports diagrams too, extends far beyond. It supports visual collaboration, brainstorming, workshops, whiteboard sessions, agile workflows, and cross-team work, with large canvas space and many templates for creative work. If you're using diagrams within larger team workflows or planning sessions, Miro gives you more room to stretch. Collaboration and ecosystem support are also key differences. Miro is built for teams, multiple users working in real time, commenting, adding ideas, voting, integrating with other tools, and accessible via browser or multiple devices. Visio integrates well with Microsoft 365 and is strong for diagramming in that ecosystem, but its real-time multi-user collaboration is less seamless compared to Miro. If your team uses Windows and Microsoft tools only, Visio fits nicely. But if you work across platforms or with external collaborators, Miro offers more flexibility. Finally, cost and value. If you're getting deep into Microsoft's ecosystem, Visio might be the logical choice, especially if your organization already licenses Microsoft products. But for many teams, especially small or mixed platform, Miro's free or lower barrier tiers and visual collaboration capabilities deliver strong value. So which should you choose? If your priority is detailed professional diagramming in a Microsoft environment, go with Visio. If your focus is team collaboration, visual planning, brainstorming, and flexible workflows, choose Miro.